Storm Strike was a success. The Citadel was dealt a serious blow. Its resource and production systems are offline. The Fleet of the Veil is trying to rebuild. We must strike before they return to full strength. Deep scans of the structure indicate the Incarnate store highly volatile fuel and munitions in close proximity to their docking bays. Destroying the power regulators will ignite these volatile stores and cause a runaway chain of explosions that will destroy all nearby ships. Our objective here is to destroy all enemy ships docked throughout the complex. It's time to bring this war to the Incarnates.
All you, send. Ready to copy. Send. Copy. We copy. Understood. Receiving. Copy that. Send message.
Group 2 reinforced.
Heading there now.
Be advised, the target refueling and rearming bays around hostile ship docks are highly volatile. Recommend engaging from a distance when possible to avoid being caught in the blast wave. Engineering, do you have any templates that can assist here?
You know I do. Long-range torpedo frigate research is now ready at your say-so.
Excellent. Thank you, engineering. Be advised, docked Incarnate carriers are still production capable. Expect enemy reinforcements from these locations.
We are in position. Collection underway. Ready to go. New heading set. Gotta reset for combat. Understood. Relax. Target down. Receiving.
Interior scans show the Citadel substructure is interlaced with tunnel networks. Our strike craft can leverage these tunnels to bypass enemy defenses.
Group 5 reinforced.
This is Bomber Lead. Move complete.
Alert. Sensors are picking up a new class of enemy frigate. It appears to be armed with a heavy missile launcher. Recommend destroying it before it closes to firing range. Torpedo frigates now available for construction. Deploy them against slow-moving capital ships or fixed emplacements.
Alert. In contact with enemy turret. Helm, we have a target. Get us in range. Alert. Enemy frigate engaged.
Group 5 taking losses.
Ready on sequence fire. We have contact. Enemy frigate.
Group 4 suffering heavy losses.
Alert. The ship dock is going critical. Move all ships outside the blast radius immediately.
Fleet reporting critical damage.
Group 3 is in trouble. Bomber production complete.
There are 5 enemy ship docks remaining.
Alert. Hostile carrier.
The enemy is launching strike craft attack waves from nearby transport vessels. Destroy the transports to stop their fighters from retreating for repairs.
Scratch one enemy frigate.
Interceptor priority alert. Strike craft suffering heavy losses.
Target set. Helm full burst. Strike craft income. Cycle target. Quick fire on rotation. Critical hit.
Alert. The enemy is fielding a new class of corvette designed to capture our ships. Do not let them get close.
Clean kill.
Group 3 needs support. Group 5, they're in trouble. Production complete. Production complete. Torpedo frigate deploying.
Contact. Corvette has us in.
Priority alert. We are losing strike craft.
Incarnate capture corvettes have latched onto one of our ships. Move to intercept.
Warning, capture corvette has positive lock with a friendly. Intercept. Railgun corvette production complete.
Group 5, they're in trouble. Group 1 suffering losses.
Enemy corvette is close.
Saved.
Targets destroyed.
Production complete.
Alert. Friendly vessel seized by the enemy. We lost them.
Target
Group 5 taking losses.
clean.
Group 3 is in trouble.
That's another frigate for us.
Alert. One of ours has been captured. They're gone.
Fleet corvette frigate destroyed. Fleet corvette has sustained critical damage.
Interceptor production complete.
Corvette taking heavy damage.
Priority alert. High strike craft losses being reported.
Production complete. Production
Warning. Clear the ship dock blast radius.
10. Fleet. Ion frigate. We've sustained.
Group 5, they're in trouble. Watch Group 2.
4 ship docks remaining. Keep up the pressure. Warning. Massive power surge detected from the nearby structure. One of the enemy production bays is still operational. We must capture the bay before we are overwhelmed by enemy destroyers. Marking the location of the bay control towers now.
I guess my finer details can wait. Destroyer research coming online right about now. Time to roll out the big guns.
3.
Tactical teams have identified a new incarnate smart missile frigate entering the AO. Codename, Fatal Class. Intercept with fast-moving strike craft.
Caution, resource controller taking damage.
Go ahead, bring it down. Brace for evasion. Position noted.
Alert. Resource controller hull integrity at 50% and falling.
Moving to strike.
Enemy frigate down. Enemy frigate down. Gonna run out of room to pay enemy frigate.
Production complete. Torpedo frigate deploying.
Enemy frigate. Contact. Enemy frigate.
Resource controller destroyed.
On intercept.
Caution, resource controller hull integrity at 75%.
CQB. Good kill. Shed target destroyed.
Send message.
Hostile ship down. Watch
Group 1 is in trouble.
Cycle toward fleet.
Production complete. Torpedo frigate deploying.
Priority alert. We are losing turrets.
Contact. Enemy strike craft. Give me zone coverage.
Group 4 needs...
Alert. Enemy destroyer en route from the production bay.
Command channel open.
That's it. Fleet reporting critical damage to core. Ready, set, fleet. Assault frigate reporting critical damage. Send men.
Production complete. Torpedo frigate deploying. Railgun corvette complete.
Hostile frigate destroyed.
Destroyers now available for construction.
Watch your break. Lead to default. On your formation.
Ready? Set.
Scratch one hostile command. Taking fire. Frigate is
Group 1 is in trouble.
fire from enemy.
Production complete. Torpedo frigate deploying.
Frigate destroyed. Maintain lock.
It's turning. Hostile eliminated.
Fleet. Ion frigate taking heavy damage.
Caution.
Upgrade complete.
Reroute power to weapons. And make it count. Receiving. Receiving.
Railgun corvette production complete.
Fleet is frigate. What's the call?
The full frigate is going critical. Production complete. Torpedo frigate deploying.
Critical.
Alert. Enemy destroyer undocking from the production bay.
Alert. Strike craft losses mounting.
Another frigate for us.
Focus weapons fire on the power regulators to destroy the ship docks.
Receiving. Ready evasive and maintain lock.
Destroyer is ready for action.
Critical damage. Ready to come. Maintain fire.
Command channel open.
Bomber production complete.
Got you.
Group 1 reinforced.
Ready. Dynamic range is good. Merge airplane. Target center mass. Full charge. Suppression frigate here. Enemy frigate on intercept. They're tracking.
Caution, resource controller is under fire.
Brace for evasive. Another enemy.
Railgun corvette production complete. Ion frigate is ready.
We're inbound. Confirm new intercept. Tracking frigate. Enemy destroyed. Carrier comms open. Send.
Support frigate is now ready.
Target 0. Watch for support line. Ion copies.
Ion frigate is ready.
Command. Combat here.
Alert. Enemy destroyer undocking from the production bay.
Confirm. Tracking target. Command, these turrets are chewing us up. Send message. Lock is good. On my lead. Merge verified.
Support frigate is now ready.
Frigate down.
Enemy frigate destroyed.
Frigate destroyed.
Scratch one enemy frigate.
Warning. Clear the ship dock blast radius.
Fallback position marked. Break contact.
Channel open. Stand by. Group 1.
Group 2 taking losses.
2 ship docks remaining. We're nearly done here.
Send transmission.
Ion frigate is ready.
Incarnate capture corvettes have latched onto one of our ships. Move to intercept.
Caution, destroyer taking effective fire. Hull integrity down to 75%.
Destroyer is ready for action.
Frame spitting out. Ship target. Command, reporting enemy free contact. Enemy strike craft. Send message.
Receiving.
Send transmission.
Destroyer is leaving the production bay.
Have good range.
Confirm that.
Target down. Redirect.
Gunnery, engage on lock.
Dynamic range is good. Merge verified. Get us in there. Frigate destroyed.
Alert, destroyer hull integrity at 50%.
Resources.
Caution, destroyer is taking fire.
Watching your track. Clean. Direct hit. Enemy frigate destroyed. Good hit. Frigate down.
Resource controller complete and ready for operation. Destroyer is ready for action.
Frigate down. Fleet, assault frigate is critical.
Destroyer receiving.
Now.
Send.
Manual.
Enemy frigate down.
Gonna run out of room to paint enemy frigates on our hull. Ready to go. Enemy frigate destroyed. Say again. Frigate. Enemy frigate. Another frigate for us. Reactor locked.
I just fired.
Hostile frigate destroyed. Another
Alert,
enemy frigate.
turret losses mounting.
Alert. Enemy destroyer undocking from the production bay.
Good luck. Good track.
Warning. Clear the ship dock blast radius.
Engage. Send message.
Group 1,
Only one ship dock remaining.
Send message.
Enemy reinforcements incoming.
Power to thrusters. Brace for evasive. Within ASE.
Upgrade complete. Destroyer is ready for action.
E-gen to overcharge. Ready evasive. On your formation. Good luck. Good track. Controller here, go ahead. Channel open. That's it. Go with message. Spitting out. Ship target.
Assault frigate ready for action.
Coming about. Sail. Hell, bring us around. Ready. Inbound.
Ion frigate is ready. Suppression frigate is now ready.
Material site locked in. Collection underway.
Assault frigate ready for action.
Hostile destroyer in the
Corvette move complete.
Alert. Enemy destroyer en route from the production bay. Incarnate forces are recapturing the control towers. Engage those units.
This is gonna be a short trip. Target position is strict. Reactor launch. Lining up.
Destroyer is ready for action.
Dynamic range is good. Merge verified.
Production complete. Carrier operational and launching.
Send transmission. Channel open. Send.
Clear the lane.
Group 4 suffering heavy losses.
Alert. Ship dock going critical. Clear the blast radius.
Ready. Helm, we're on the attack. Check screen.
All ship docks eliminated. Objective complete.
Enemy ion copies. Go. All contact IDs to my screen. Disengage. Full burn. Assault frigate has sustained critical damage. Direct hit. Enemy frigate destroyed. Frigate neutralized.
Coming across one enemy frigate. Received.
Destroyer is ready for action.
Attack order confirmed.
Alert. Enemy destroyer undocking from the production bay.
Assault frigate ready for action.
Confirmed.
Caution, destroyer is taking fire.
Sensor contact. Enemy destroyer closing in.
Production bay captured. Objective complete.
CCI.
enemy capital ship hyperspace signature detected.
Confirmed cleared.
Hear me now. I use your barbaric tongue to deliver an ultimatum. Accept her will. Join me under the veil. Do this, and together we will find your missing navigator. If she yet lives, the three will be one. The key will form, and her glorious future will be realized.
And what if we aren't interested in her glorious future?
Your victories will be forgotten. Your fleet will be forgotten. Your name will be dust.
You offer only survival in chains, Warsage.
Isaac, I was right. They don't know where Karen is.
Incarnate battle cruiser incoming. The Incarnate Warsage is on board. If we take him out, we deprive the Queen of her general. Engage and destroy at once.
Steady fire.
Send message. Corvette is in position. In position. Corvette ready.
There is no disgrace in defeat, young officer. I fought this battle 1,000 times, in 1,000 different ways before you even arrived.
Capture target set. Setting collectors to capture configuration. Systems go. Sends.
Adjust target update rate. Compensate for density. Contact. Corvette. Contact. Enemy Corvette closing in.
Redirect. Okay, Command. We've secured the package. Setting return vector. Enemy Corvette in weapons. That Corvette has a lock on it. Gunner, please return the favor. Please. Shift target.
Hostile Corvette
Hostile ship down.
Bomber production complete.
Another Corvette down. Hostile Corvette destroyed. Capture successful, Command. We're coming in from the hold.
Hostile frigate destroyed. Retarget. Acknowledge your last.
Caution, destroyer is taking fire.
Glad you made it out in one piece. Target destroyed. Charge grenade frigate neutralized.
Hostile Corvette has a flush.
Fleet. Frigate reporting critical damage.
Good hit. Frigate down.
Fleet. Critical damage sustained by frigate.
Dynamic range is good. Merge verified. Good hit. Hostile frigate down. Receiving. Ship destroyed. Clean hit. Spin down.
Fleet. Frigate is going critical.
Enemy frigate down.
Nailed it. Enemy frigate down. Fleet. Critical damage to frigate.
CCIP limits up.
Enemy frigate down. Nailed it.
Send transmission.
Receiving. Marked. Relocating now.
I see it. Tracking bearing. Setting up for intercept.
Critical hit. Enemy frigate destroyed.
Taking escort position.
Scratch one enemy frigate.
Send message. Wow. Nice ship. Can we keep it? Controller here. Go ahead. We have capture orders. Spin up collectors, but keep an eye on one.
Send message.
Receiving.
Group 1 reinforced. Group 1 reinforced.
Confirming positive lock on capture. We're coming home. Just tell us where to park it, Command.
Group 2 reinforced. Group 2 reinforced.
Awaiting orders. Ready to copy.
Channel open.
Moving. Reading you. 5 by 5. We'll get back. Send transmission. Nebulous triggering system faults. I heard from one of my analysts. Receiving. He's throwing out all kinds of interference. Target set. Latch points identified. Let's go make some friends. Spinning up collectors for capture operations. We have green across the board.
Group 1, reinforced.
Frigate is on location.
SF here.
Sensors, give me eyes out. Targeting ready. I've got data errors in the stream. Check your density filters. Frigate on location and standing by.
Get a good look around like we have positive capture lock. All latch points secure. Full burn on egress. Okay, Command. We've secured the package. Setting return vector. We have positive capture lock. All latch points secure. Full burn on egress. Ready to copy. Push ion systems to the limit. Prepare for extended cooldown.
Understood. Relax.
Frigate spotted. Target 0. Watch for support fire. Help. Watch incoming and make it tight. Don't give them time to compensate. Track the target. Ready for counter.
Send message.
Taking a shot. Set target. Get ready, man. Reporting enemy frigate destroyed. Set message. Verify target log. Begin full charge cycling.
Caution, destroyer is taking fire.
Neutralize.
Accept her wisdom, and she will allow me to grant you mercy. Deny it further, and her will demands that I destroy you.
Go for alert. Enemy battle cruiser in attack position. Set.
My queen, my teacher, my judge, I have failed you. Let no one remember my name. I choose dust.
Direct hit. Frigate reattack track. Engaging. Corvette direct hit. Frigate down. Frigate down. Hostile frigate destroyed.
Incarnate battle cruiser has been destroyed. Objective complete.
Priority alert. Suffering high turrets losses.
Target 3 up.
Sorry, Command. Trying to isolate that interference.
It's not interference. It's the Queen. She knows her Warsage is gone. She's coming for us.
All mission objectives complete.
Remaining enemy ships are retreating. They pose minimal threat.
Watching your track.
We have the advantage for the first time. Plot a course for Noctua 27.
You're only half right, Isaac. We do have the advantage, but we need to use it to get to the Buran ice shelf and rescue Lady Karen.
I thought we settled this already. We have to stick to the mission.
Repeat the mission to me, Intel.
What?
Indulge me.
To de-weaponize hyperspace and stop the anomaly.
From the Incarnate Queen's own mouth, Karen's cores would unlock the power of the entire gate network and give her ultimate control of that power. Karen is the mission, Isaac.
Imogen. There is no way she could be alive after this long.
I broke the code. You heard her voice. She could be the real advantage.
It could all be a trap.
It stops being a trap the moment we secure the cores. Tell me, what has Pact-2 thought about taking objectives important to your enemy? Karen or no? If the Incarnate want the Karsajuk, then we need the Karsajuk. There's no victory without it.
And you truly believe that?
All that matters is that you do, Isaac. Whatever it takes to complete the mission.
Well played, Imogen Sajet. However, a free jump means they will be able to track us, which means we'd be leading them straight to the very thing they want.
Yes. But I'm confident I can get us under cover of the ice as we come out of hyperspace. They will know we are at the ice shelf, but finding us will be another challenge altogether. Isaac, she called to me. We have to try.
Jump when ready, Fleet Command.